myself, Deputy Chief Minister, Home Minister, Health Minister, Medical Education Minister, and other officers of the Health Department, and also the members of the Technical Advisory Committee. We met today and discussed so many things. We have taken a decision that this disease, we need not be panic. People need not be panic. But precautionary measures will have to be taken. Wherever there are groups and in gatherings, in such places, everybody should wear mask. And the 60 and above years old people
with comorbidities,
and compulsorily they should wear mask. So far in Karnataka, 92 cases are found. Out of 92, 72 patients are in isolation,
home isolation,
quarantine,
home
home isolation. Only 20 are in the hospitals. Out of 20 patients, 7 are in ICU. They are not having the only COVID diseases, other associated diseases are there. That is why they are in the ICU. So far, 3 persons have died, not because of COVID alone, not because of COVID alone. There are other ailments are also there. That is why they are died so far. In the world, about 51,214 cases are reported daily. In the country, average 310 cases are reported. So, in Kerala, the highest in the country, 2,041 cases are reported. In Karnataka, 92 cases. Tamil Nadu, 77 cases. Maharashtra, 35 cases. Goa, 23. See, it all depends upon how many tests we have made. Then only we will come to know whether the patients are suffering from COVID positive or not. Then only we will come to know. So this is the position, and whatever lapses have occurred in the previous regime, they should not be repeated again. I have strictly told the officers concerned, they should not be repeated. So take all precautionary measures. A cabinet subcommittee will be constituted. It will meet
frequently.
no, it will meet frequently. If necessary, in 2 days, 3 days, like that, they will meet. And they will also meet this technical advisory committee. Whatever advice or the decision taken in the committee, they will be implemented in total. Tests will be increased. Now we have taken a decision to increase it to 5,000 tests every day. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನೋಡಿ cabinet subcommittee will take it. Cabinet subcommittee will take a decision. ಓಕೆ, ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.
ಸ್ಪೆಷಲ್ ಆಫೀಸರ್ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಸರ್,
ಏನು
ಅಪ್ರೂವ್ ಆಗಿರಲಿಲ್ಲ ಸರ್,
ವಿಶೇಷ ಅಧಿಕಾರಿ
ಮೊದಲಿಂದ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಸರ್, ಅಪ್ರೂವ್ ಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು.
ಈ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ನಿಮಗೆ ಇಷ್ಟವಾಗಿದ್ದರೆ ಲೈಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಇನ್ನು ನಮ್ಮ ಚಾನಲ್ಗೆ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಮುಂದೆ ಬರೋ ಎಲ್ಲ ವಿಡಿಯೋಗೋಸ್ಕರ ಬೆಲ್ ಬಟನ್ ಕ್ಲಿಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ.